Good day everyone. Today we discuss the mesh analysis using Kirchhoff's voltage law or the KVL. Today I teach you how to solve mesh analysis using KVL. Okay, as you can see, we have the circuits here with 2 voltage source, 12 volts and 2 volts, 3 ohms, 8 ohms and 6 ohms. So, let's find the I1 and I2. Okay, before we start the computation, first thing to do is to identify the positive input and output of the resistor. So, the battery is 12 volts, so we have positive 3, positive and negative, positive, negative, positive, negative. The input and output of the resistor. So we start at this point on the negative side of the battery. KVL at loop 1. Okay, we have IA, IC, and IB. Okay, so to determine the input and the current I1 flowing the circuits, we have at this point negative 12 volts going to the positive 3 ohms, which is VIR, V equal IR or the Ohm's law. We can get the positive 3 because we are going to negative positive IA. Then next going down, so positive IC equal to 0. So we can copy ulit 12 volts. Then IA represent for I1. So copy natin yung I1 plus yung IC represent as 8 ohms. Then equal to 0. So simplify natin. Negative 12 volts plus 3I1 plus 8I1 minus 8I2 equal to 0. So we can add the same representation, which is 8I1 and 3I1. 8 plus 3 is 11. I1. Then next, the negative I2. Then okay, this is the equation 1. So we have next to the equation 2. Okay, for the KVL loop 2, we can start at this point, 6IB plus our voltage source, 2 volts minus IC equal to 0. So, copy the representation. Plus 2 volts minus 8 I1 minus I2 equal to 0. So we can simplify 6I2 plus 2 volts minus 8 I1 plus 8 I2 equal to 0. So we can transpose this 8I1 to the right. So we are changing the sign. 8I1 plus 6I2 plus 8I2, same representation. We can add 14I2. Then copy the positive sign of 2 equal to 0. Okay, this is our equation 2. To find the I1, we can choose elimination. Okay, the equation 1 and equation 2. The equation 1 is 11 I1 minus 8 I2 equal to 12. Naging positive 12 siya dahil pinag-transpose natin. So okay, the equation 2 is 8 I1 plus 14 I2 equal negative 2. Okay. We can eliminate this using multiplying 14 here and 8 here. So 14 times 11 is equal to 154 I1 minus 14 times 8, 112 I2. Then equal 14 times 12, 168. Then 8 times 8, 64. I1 plus 8 times 14, 112 I2 equal 2 times negative 8 is negative 16. So we can cancel this equation, this, because we are same then 154 plus 64, 218. Then equal 168 minus 16 equal 152. We can divide both sides by 218 to cancel out this 218. So we have I1 is equal to, we can divide 152 divide 218. The total is so we have 0.0 697. Okay, this is our I1. So to find the I2, we can use the equation 1, which is 11 I1, then the I1 is 0.697 minus 8 I2 equal to 12. So we can simplify 11 times 0.697 is 'equal to 7.667. We can transpose the 12 here, then the 8 here. So we have negative 12 is equal to positive 8i2. So we can simplify. 7 minus 12 is 7.667 minus 12 is negative 4.33 equal 8i2. We divide both sides by 8, so we have to cancel this. We have I2 is equal to 'The answer is 0.554. Okay, this is the equation. This is our I2. That's all. Thank you for watching. God bless.